Alrighty, that's just one can of our Pillsbury Grands biscuits. I'm just gonna grab all these little pieces up and plop these into my bowl over here. Now I've just got 1 stick of melted butter, or half a cup. I'm gonna come in here with some onion powder, yummy, garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. And I'm just going generous with my spices. Alrighty, we're just gonna get a little mixy mix of this up to incorporate here with our butter. And now I'm just gonna pour that all over these cut up little biscuit pieces. Now I've got about a cup of Parmesan cheese left over here in this bag. And I'm just going to give all of this a mix. I want my biscuits well coated in those butter and spices, my little bit of Parmesan here. Ooh, you guys, we are making a super yummy, delicious dinner tonight. It could also just be a great thing to make while you're watching baseball or getting together with friends. I think you guys are really, really going to love this. Alrighty, I'm grabbing my grease 13 by 9 and I am just going to put all this delicious biscuit mixture down in here. Woo! 1 can of biscuits. We were debating if it needed 1 can or 2. I think it's just gonna be 1, and we love that. And these are just gonna puff up and fill this space, of course. Okay, now we are not done yet, but I wanna give these biscuits a little pre-cook. I'm gonna pop in my oven at 350 for about 10 minutes, and I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all. We have these in there for just about 10 minutes, I'd say, maybe 12. Now they're getting a nice little brown color. It's starting to get a little bit brown on the bottom. I gotta say, our oven cooks a little unevenly, gets things much darker in the middle. Is that typical? Does it need an adjustment? Y'all tell me, my oven experts out there. All right, I have got some marinara sauce here, the good old Rayo's, and I'm gonna come in here. We're just gonna start drizzling this so it's not too saturated. Whoa, got a little excited there. You know, spread it around a bit. Ooh, I think this is gonna be so good, Marty. The way these biscuits are kind of like puffing up and all those seasonings on them smells absolutely incredible.
It's gonna be like a deep dish.
A deep dish. We love it. Now we pre-cooked some Italian sausage. This was just a Jimmy Dean. Was this hot, Marty, or was it regular?
Just regular.
Just regular. But you could do hot if you like, y'all. Sometimes we like it hot. Isn't that right, Marty?
We do.
All right, a little bit of mozzarella here on top. Slowly but surely, I am working my way through my cheese drawer. I overbought some cheese at one time or another. You guys, I had about 6 pounds of mozzarella. These size bags, I had 3 of them. And I really thought I was gonna need at least 2. No, I needed 1. But you know what? You live and you learn.
Hababichi life.
Hababichi life. And now we've got the mini pepperonis. Let's see how these, oh, they're so cute. And of course you can leave the mini pepperonis on or off. Do with them as you please. You could add so much more to this if you wanted, you know, bell peppers, all your favorite pizza toppings, really. Some olives, I like olives. I like mushroom, olive, and green bell peppers. Like, oh, that is the best for me. And some Italian sausage. Bonus points if it's spicy Italian sausage. Alrighty, y'all. Now remember, this is still hot because we just had it in the oven pre-cooking those biscuits. I'm gonna pop this back in there for about 10, 15 more minutes at the most, and then we'll be ready to dig in. Hot and bubbly, fresh out of the oven. Look at this, y'all. Our bubble pizza bread. Oh my gosh, it's got that marinara, the mini pepperonis, the sausage. Ooh, I can't wait to get in here, grab a piece of this. Ooh, I feel like this is gonna be a new staple. So easy, perfect for the fam. Look at that cheese. Ooh, that looks awesome. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it's piping hot. I just got this out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool down for a few minutes, but trust me, you gotta try it.